Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video, we are headed out to a little early morning cars and coffee in the S650. We'll see how this is gonna go. This is supposedly like a Honda event. I don't know. It's typically everything, but oh my goodness. I guess the theme today is Hondas. They gotta go ahead and clean up all this on the road. That's actually like some tire popping material on the road right there. That's not safe. So we'll see exactly what's going down, man. We shall see what's going down. Always fun whipping the S650. Roll the windows down. Changing lanes. I had to abort the pull. Damn, that felt good though too, because it's not that hot. Oh man, that felt great. That felt great. Alright, we're gonna be pulling up very shortly. I've been to this spot before, always a good spot. The last time I was here, I was in the S650 as well. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost positive. And it was down, or the Shelby GT350 was down for the same damn repair, which is like kind of ridiculous when you think about it. Like, oh, I need to get a Whipple on this car. I need to get this car boosted, man. Need to get this car boosted, man. Luckily, it is fun as hell the way it is right now. Luckily. There's just that one feeling of NA, bro. You could just go out and just beat on it. You gotta worry about just the oil temps and shit like that. I do like that about NA. You just go out and just not gonna spin uncontrollably, you know what I'm saying? You could just go out and just have it, just truly just do whatever you want. Well, not whatever you want, but y'all know what I mean. There's actually a decent amount of cars here. Holy cow. I'm gonna go park like in the back though, cause shit, we in the daily. Yeah, there are quite a few Type R's here. Oh my lord. There's quite a few Type R's in here. Oh my lord. Damn. There are quite a few Type R's here. GT500s too. Yeah, this is actually popping. It's low key kind of popping. That C5 look kind of clean over there too. We got some Mustangs over here. And what the hell? I'll park my car right here. They got a GT500 right over there as well. Whoop. We'll see what's here, y'all. Looks like it's pretty decent. It's only been going on for 30 minutes and it's packed, which is good. All right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna work our way from the back up to the front. Transport is clean as hell. We got Whipple GT500 right here. Oh shit. That's pretty badass. Damn. I like this a lot. This is what I need, no cap. Shit, we got a SR10 truck. That's pretty rare. Z01. Yeah, Z01's on a tire too. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. What the hell? This is actually pretty sick. Got a mop. Got a Viper, BC4's wheels, C7Z.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I have to leave that area because of the copyright music, but this C6Z06 is clean. You can't go wrong with the C6Z and the F14s. I got my car over there. Got a Gen 1. We got a GT500 right here. This actually is a 1314 GT500 too. Let's verify. Oh shit. 1314 GT500 right here. You don't see these too often. That's what's up. Got a Gen 2. Got another Gen 1. And we have another 1314 GT500s. So two 1314 GT500s. That's actually nice, man. Shit, you don't see these at all. Oh no, it's a it's not a 1314, but still looks clean. You just don't really see the S197 GT500s too often. Got the front bumper conversion. Looks really good though. Let's see what we got over here. That Subaru's pretty tough. I ain't gonna lie, I got a fat ass intercooler. Music is just getting louder and louder too. It's too early for that shit, bro. I swear. Subaru. I do got the hella horns. This Super is pretty tough. And it's got a V-lock too. Hood, fenders, and a V-lock to match the color. That's actually pretty cool. Damn. Not bad, not bad. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the cars and coffee. Now, I should be getting an update from ProCharger tomorrow regarding the integrity of the crank support as well as the hardware. So when I get word, you best believe I'll be making a video updating y'all on what's going down. I know there's some people who have ProChargers on the Shelby GT50s that are tapping in to see exactly if the crank support is a good idea as of right now. So once I get that information, I will 100% be dropping a video. If y'all enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.